Facebook, Instagram, all social media outlets. This is Anthony Lyons, back with another video. I'm back in the great Northwest at my house here on Kitsap Lake. I have a pretty nice view. I can't complain. Very blessed. Happy 2021. Happy New Year to everyone. I know the New Year's already kind of starting off a little shaky, but hey, it's a new year. Let's make the best of it. I know AL Designs, I'm going to push myself this year to the limits of audio install, car audio, yachts, boats, golf carts, whatever. Anybody wants some music, some sounds, or some custom work, I got you. My Tundra's there in the front. I'm going to be putting a huge system, so be prepared for that. Really nice system in there. I got some plans, big plans for my truck there. Just finished this Ram. There's going to be some videos on that. Did some stuff on that. But right now, it's about this bad boy. 2015 A5, Audi A5. Client wants to do a system in the back, just nothing too crazy. We're going to keep everything stock in here, but we're going to give them a little bass in the back, a little nice subwoofer box, and I'll have some little photos and pictures and video of that. So stay tuned for a lot of good content this year. I'm going to have a lot of fun. If the world's going to be crazy, then I'm going to have a lot of fun and enjoy my time here at Kitsap Lake. Gonna be barbecuing a lot this year and gonna do a whole lot more content, a lot more videos. So stay tuned. Again, AL Designs. Let me know if you need anything done, all right? Stay tuned.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus. I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on a memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to.
All right, that's a wrap on the Audi A5. All done. Diamond Audio D9, one of my favorite all-time subs. Diamond Audio D9 10-inch subwoofers, sealed enclosure, plexiglass, a little bit of lighting as always. I'm just a big kid. I love the lights. Again, it's a really nice Audi. I have a few more pictures to show of this really nice car. But hey, on to the next one. Stay tuned. Please like and subscribe.